is sick. Bro, it's actually like... I can see how you could chill in here, actually. Because right now, like, if they were playing something good, like, this is good, the fight. But if I didn't see this, I could just sit here and watch it.
It's sick. You can just chill with your fans. You can actually invite people to your villa, so you can just like have a bunch of people here chilling, watching fights and stuff.
Dude, that's actually insane to be with your friends or like.
Right, you can have up to 100 people there.
Bro, it looks good.
I love the audio, like the speakers and shit.
I'm getting the hang of it. Oh shit. Okay. Nice gym. So I get to keep this place or what?
That's yours. That's all yours.
Let's see the view.
That.
Bro, I'm not getting oculus today. I like it. Wait, I went downstairs. Let's go check.
How many floors you got?
I think it's 3 floors, bro. This is wait. I was not letting me go downstairs.
It's maybe someone else's.
Okay. Right.
Got neighbors.
Oh shit! I got like there's like a store.
Now that's a closet right there.
No, it looks like a store with my closet. Damn. Damn. Selena's dad. Right, these speakers are sick. Alright, let's see. I guess let's go back upstairs. Bro, this is my favorite room.
That's fire.
But I could actually
Can you actually hit it? The box thing in there?
Where?
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Yo. Dude, this actually looks like... It's crazy how good the TV looks. You spend time in here every day?
Oh, I love that thing.
Dude, I love it too. How do I get this crib once I get my own? It's like, this is how you could, like, I can hang out with John like this, like hang out and watch something with a Metacard holder.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Like,
Invite Metacard holders to hang out, watch a movie.
Hang out in my crib. Let's see. Alright, yeah, this is cool as fuck.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it, bro.
It's awesome.
I love that thing.